Hello and welcome to today's SolidWorks video. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the wrap feature. The wrap feature can be found up here on the very right hand side. This is a very useful tool if you want to perhaps wrap a logo or some text around a cylindrical or a shaped feature. You can't just go sketch and select the cylindrical object here to create a sketch on that. SolidWorks has a tool for this though called the wrap tool. You can click on the wrap tool. The window over here will ask you to select a plane to sketch the closed contours. So I'm going to go over here into this little flyout menu on the history tree here and select the front plane. Now what you need to do is create the sketch that you want to wrap around the cylinder. I'm just going to draw a simple sort of a shape of a logo type of thing. Some of the tools here I'm using I've demonstrated in previous videos. Please feel free to take a look at the other videos on my channels. Okay, so I've sketched the basic shape. You'll see that the sketch is right in the middle of the object. What I'm going to do now is click Exit Sketch, and I'm going to select Sketch 2, and then over here I'm going to select the surface. And you can see what's happened. SolidWorks has unwrapped the cylindrical surface into a rectangle. And now it's just a simple case of adding some dimensions here. So what is the depth? Do you want to emboss or deboss? In this case, I'm going to emboss, and my distance is 3 millimeters. Go ahead and click the tick here, and there you have it. That sketch has been wrapped around that cylindrical surface. So that's a basic overview of how you can use the wrap feature, and I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm looking forward to creating more interesting SolidWorks videos in the future. See you next time.